Tumbled leather.
Urban Nerd Beats.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have a pretty interesting release. I mean, we have the Jordan 11 Concord, but this is not just the Concord. This is the Jordan 11 Concord DMP. That's going to be releasing again this holiday season. So it'll be coming back at the end of the year. One of my good friends, they came through, they sent these over for me so I can do a review. This is just an early look. It is not the final results. I don't know what the final result will be, but this is something early. Now, the Defining Moments release came out back in 2006 or so. It was something like that. It was a while ago. I remember when the shoe actually released. This shoe released, I believe, with a pair of Jordan 14s. I'm almost positive it was a 14. If not, it might have been a Jordan 10 or 12. But these are pretty dope. I love these shoes. These are pretty cool. I love the leather. I love how the Concord just looks. It looks professional. It looks like you can wear it with a suit. It's definitely a prestige type of shoe. You can do a lot with the sneaker, okay? So before I get started jumping into the shoe and breaking it down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share it with your family and friends. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. The Reels page has a lot of shoes up there that you may have seen, but a lot of stuff that you may not have seen. So go ahead and check that out on the Instagram. And last but not least, go ahead and follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video. We have a really good community in there. We trade shoes between each other. We buy shoes, all that stuff. So if you want to know where the plugs are and all that stuff, go to the Discord, which is in the description of the video, and we got you there, okay? So there's not really a lot to go over with this shoe. The shoe it's a Concord. You know what I'm saying? It's a Concord. It's not going to really wow you. It's not gonna, it's not really that much different from the the OG Concord, except it has a couple differences on the shoe, okay? Now, when we look at the Concord, we see that there is the black and white ensemble, but there's a couple differences, you know what I'm saying? We got the leather on the top. We do have our heightened patent leather right here. I think this was like the 2018 release too. They made it a little thicker, so we do have that. We do have some gold hits, and we got that milky bottom. But what I like about this is it's not icy blue. It kind of let that age a little bit. So you got that. Very, very nice. No actual Concord on here. It's like they kind of replaced all the Concord with gold, which I did love. I thought that was a nice touch. Makes the shoe look even more vintage with all the gold hits than with those Concord hits and the black Jumpman and all that other stuff. So very, very nice. So closer detailed look, we got our toe box right here. Got that nice round toe box. I do like the leather on the upper. It's really, really soft. I definitely see that. You guys see it's pillow soft. Very, very nice tumbled leather. And y'all know how I am about my tumbled leather. I don't play. And this is fantastic. Okay, there's our gold hit right there with that Jumpman. Very nice. It kind of reminds me of those Jubilees because that had a silver kind of tab to it. So that was pretty dope. There's your gold embroidery in the back right there on the heel, so very, very nice there. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, nothing different. I do love this right here. You got some gold speckles in there. It's almost like a gold and black on that carbon fiber, so I thought that was pretty interesting. Another thing is that the bottom is milky. I didn't see that coming. I thought it was going to be icy blue, but it's a milky bottom, so very, very different. Behind the tongue, we got all of our embroidery right here. Looks very, very nice. I love it. Super, super dope. Going up the shoe and the tongue, we got a leather tongue, and we have our third spacing here, which is our gold jump man right there, which is real nice. We got a sander shoe tree in this joint. I love how they put all of those little hints on the shoe to just show how special MJ was to the game. It was very, very nice. I know LeBron now is becoming that man and all of that, but it's cool still to see that you got a lot of love for MJ. So like I said, not really a lot to go over with the shoe, but pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give the shoe, I'll give it a 9. It's, you know, it's a Concord, it's dope. You got the gold hits, you can't go wrong, super clean. So I'll give it about a 9. For the construction and materials, I mean, it's good. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's fantastic. The leather is fantastic. Everything is in the place that it needs to be. It fits true to size. It doesn't smell. So it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's a cool shoe. Definitely something that you can slide out with and look professional, or just, you know, be comfortable. All right. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope it was informative for you. Hope it helps you make a decision. I hope everybody gets a pair of these joints. They're really, really nice. So until next time, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.